Hey guys, what's up? So today is 30th of June and the stock which we are going to analyze is DIXON Technologies. Okay, so this is the daily time frame of DIXON Technologies, and here what we can see that the stock has been in an uptrend since last few months, and it has showed a great rally. So when we come to the daily time frame of DIXON Technologies, here we can see that DIXON was resisting this area for quite a long time. So it has been taking resistance once, twice and thrice over here, and now it has given a breakout of this zone. So if I draw a trend line from this level to this level here like this, we can see that this stock had formed an ascending triangle. So basically what happens in an ascending triangle is, here you can see that the stock went up, it came down, it again went up and it came down, but it couldn't break the last low, and again went up and again came down, and then again here the same story, it couldn't break the last low. So this means that the power of the selling side is getting reduced and the stock is moving up. So here it has given a breakout of this ascending triangle, and also the volumes are quite high. Now from last 5 to 6 days it has been consolidating here, and in this consolidation and in this red candle you can see the volume is quite low. So we can assume that this stock is coming to retest this support zone, that whenever a resistance is broken it tends to be the other support. So here we can assume that the stock might take a support over here and then again continue to move up. Okay, so this was the first thing. And the second thing, here we can see that if we come on the hourly time frame, and on the hourly time frame from the last swing, so this is the last swing, and we apply the Fibo tool from the last swing to the highest point, we can see that the 0.5 levels is exactly at the resistance zone which it had created and of which it has given a breakout. So we can assume that it will test its 0.5 levels and take a support from here and then again tend to move up. So we have to guys wait for this trend line. I'll show you. So this is how we have made a trend line, and if DIXON Technologies on the hourly time frame takes a support over here and gives a breakout of this trend line with a good volume and a green candle, then we can take an entry over here. So I think this can be a good trade. And again, if we talk about the targets and the stop loss, for that again we'll come on the daily time frame. And here on the daily time frame, if we get entry anywhere around let's say 4385, we can keep the stop loss over here just below this swing, that's around 6%. And if we talk about the RR ratio, so basically RR ratio can be the distance between the triangle it formed. So we'll keep this price over here, and the first target we get here is around 5300. So guys, it is showing a good RR ratio of 1 is to 3.11. So guys, you can wait for this, or you can book 80% profit at around 1 is to 2 levels, and then wait for the other 20% quantity to hit the target. And guys, one more thing you have to keep in mind over here is that if we see that on the daily time frame the stock has moved like anything. So from approximately, I'll just calculate this, from March 2020, after the COVID situation, after the lockdown, the stock has moved approximately 650%. So guys, here is the thing, that the stock has already stretched so much, so there's a possibility that from here we can see profit booking anytime. So we have to keep our system stop loss over here, so that even if the stock tends to go down, we will book our losses, will give us stop loss, and that's it. If we don't keep a system stop loss, and for god grace, if there is any news, or there is a sudden profit booking in the market, then the stock can come down. So we have to always work with a strict stop loss. So this was it, guys. This was my analysis on Dixon Technologies. Hope you like my content, hope you have learned anything from this video. And guys, the analysis which I share, it is only for educational purposes. You have to do your own due diligence and take entry into the stocks. Thank you so much, guys.